And as you can see, this version has update available. To update this game, we have already downloaded this rusty-psn. Right click and select open with WinRAR. Navigate to the RPCS3 application location and then drag and drop this exe inside. Once you drag and drop, open the rusty-psn-exe and minimize this, close title serial. Before searching the update, select the setting gear icon and select pick folder and navigate to the RPCS3 folder. Create a new folder inside. Name it as update and select folder option. We have selected the download path and select save settings. In title serial, type the serial number of the game. BLUS31527. Once you typed, select search for updates. You must update the game in version like in a row, guys. Like 01.02. This is the first update we need to do. Select download file. Once this update download done, minimize this and select this file and select install package and navigate to the RPCS3 update and open the folder of the game and select the update we downloaded and select open. Make sure you check this pre-compile caches and select install. Once this done, select this OK option. As you can see, the version is updated to 01.02. Update available for latest version. Go back and download the latest version. Once download done, close stuff here. Select file and select install packages. Now this time select this second update we downloaded 194 MB and select open. 1.07 update. Make sure the update you selected the correct version and check mark this pre-compile caches and select install. Successfully installed, click on OK. And as you can see, the game is fully updated. Before launching the game, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the PS3 games folder. In my case, I have Black Ops 3 in this folder. As you can see, PS3 games, and here is the game files. So don't add the game specific file, add the PS3 game file, guys. PS3 games, here is the game. So select the PS3 games and select folder option. Whatever game you install for this RPCS3 game, you must install in this PS3 games folder so that you will never get any problem. Now go to virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down, controlled folder access, select manage controlled folder access and make sure to turn off this controlled folder access option. Once you're done, close it off here. Double click on the game to start. Now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.